What's up, guys? Check this out. So today we made it to Winco. We got all these dollar coins with me. Oh, hello, Thomas. What up? Good? Yeah, hi. So we saw Thomas, but I got the vending machines here. Alright, let's do this, guys. Alright, get my Coke. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Let's get a Coke.
That one took it.
Yeah. Let's see. Got a cruise. Yeah. Don't see nothing special. Alright. Yeah. I might try again. No, I didn't. Yeah. They don't have Mountain Dew, but got Sprite. But yeah, we put another one in here.
I'll leave one more time, yeah. I want you to waste $2 for it.
Oh, you know, Dr. Pepper as well. And come on, cruise. Oh, that. Let's check that one for W. Nope. Alright. Oh, last one. Well, they didn't have Dr. Peppers and Mountain Dews, but they only had Cokes this time. It's alright. One of my favorites. Alright. Let's check these. Ooh. Got that one. No. Oh. We tried. No silver, no blues, no W's, no anything. But this is all we found. We found some change on top.
I think that's a phone pack.
Yeah, we didn't check the coin store because somebody was using it. But look at what we found at these vending machines. Look. Let me see. Dawn 50. Yeah, $1.25 there. Not bad. I'll take it. Hope you guys enjoy.
Where's your soda?
Oh, yeah. Alright.